Growing plants indoors can be a rewarding hobby, but it requires the right tools to ensure your plants thrive. One of the most essential pieces of equipment is a high-quality grow light. These lights mimic the natural sunlight that plants need for photosynthesis, ensuring they grow strong and healthy even indoors. Below are the top 5 best lights for growing plants indoors, sourced from AliExpress. Number 1. Vipar Spectra LED Grow Light. The Vipar Spectra LED Grow Light is a highly efficient full-spectrum grow light designed for both beginners and experienced indoor gardeners. It is widely known for its energy-saving capabilities, long lifespan, and the ability to enhance plant growth. The balanced light spectrum provides optimal conditions for photosynthesis, encouraging plants to grow faster and produce higher yields. Vipar Spectra focuses on ensuring that plants receive the right combination of red, blue, and white light wavelengths to support their growth in all stages, from seedling to flowering. The light comes equipped with multiple modes, making it adaptable to different growing environments and plant needs. Whether you're growing vegetables, fruits, or ornamental plants, this grow light is an ideal choice for indoor setups. This grow light is particularly praised for its efficient power consumption. It consumes significantly less energy than traditional grow lights while still providing a powerful output. Moreover, its cooling system ensures that the lights run smoothly without overheating, even during extended periods of use. Key features. Full spectrum lighting offers a balanced combination of red, blue, and white light to mimic sunlight, which is essential for plant growth at every stage. Energy efficient, consumes less energy than traditional grow lights, helping reduce electricity bills while maintaining effectiveness. Multiple light modes, provides different modes for different stages of plant growth, including a special mode for flowering. Built-in cooling system, features a quiet fan system that ensures efficient heat dissipation, preventing the light from overheating. Long lifespan, designed with high-quality materials to ensure longevity, providing reliable performance for years. Number 2. Mars Hydro TS1000W LED Grow Light. The Mars Hydro TS1000W LED Grow Light is designed for serious indoor gardeners who need professional-grade equipment. It's perfect for those looking to grow a wide variety of plants, including vegetables, fruits, and herbs, all within the confines of their home. The TS1000W uses SMD LED technology, which ensures a high output while using significantly less power than older LED models. This light offers a broad spectrum, covering everything from UV to infrared light, creating the ideal environment for photosynthesis. One of the standout features of the Mars Hydro TS1000W is its ability to deliver uniform light distribution, ensuring that every plant in the growing space receives equal light exposure. This leads to higher yields and more consistent plant health across the board. Additionally, this grow light has a sleek, modern design that not only looks great but also aids in better light distribution. The aluminum heatsink helps manage heat effectively, keeping the system cool and extending its life. Key features. SMD LED technology provides high output with lower energy consumption, ideal for energy-conscious growers. Full spectrum light covers UV to infrared light, providing the right wavelengths for different growth stages. Wide light distribution ensures uniform light exposure to all plants, helping boost overall growth and yield. Aluminum heat sink, designed to manage heat efficiently, preventing overheating and extending the product's lifespan. Dimmable settings allows growers to adjust the brightness based on the plant's growth stage. Number 3. Roliadro LED Grow Light 75W. The Roliadro LED Grow Light 75W is an affordable yet effective grow light that's perfect for small indoor gardens or first-time growers. This light utilizes a combination of red and blue LED chips to promote photosynthesis and encourage healthy plant growth. While it doesn't offer a full spectrum like more expensive models, it provides enough light to grow herbs, succulents, and small vegetables effectively. This grow light is extremely energy efficient, consuming minimal power while still providing a strong output for small growing spaces. It is compact and easy to set up, making it an excellent option for those with limited space or looking to grow plants on a budget. The Roliadro LED grow light is praised for its simplicity and effectiveness, offering a cost-efficient solution for those who need a reliable light without the high price tag. The design is minimalist and lightweight, meaning it can be installed almost anywhere without taking up too much space. Key features: red and blue LED chips provides the necessary light wavelengths for photosynthesis, supporting plant growth during all stages. Energy efficient, consumes very little electricity, making it perfect for small gardens or those on a budget. Compact design, lightweight, and easy to install in small spaces, ideal for apartments or small indoor grow tents. Simple setup, easy to assemble and use, making it great for beginners or casual indoor gardeners. Durable construction, built to last, ensuring that it continues to perform reliably over time. Number 4, Flyson 1200W LED Plant Grow Light. The Flyson 1200W LED Plant Grow Light is a powerful and versatile light designed for serious gardeners who want to cultivate larger indoor gardens. With its high wattage, this grow light can cover a significant amount of growing space, providing plenty of light to support larger yields and faster growth. Flyson's grow light offers a full spectrum of lighting, ensuring that your plants receive the right wavelengths during every stage of their life cycle. From seedlings to flowering, this grow light delivers everything your plants need to thrive indoors. It also features separate switches for different light modes, allowing you to customize the lighting based on your plant's current growth stage. The cooling system in the Flyson 1200W is designed to keep the light from overheating, ensuring long-term durability and consistent performance. It's one of the most reliable options for indoor gardeners who need a robust solution for their plants. Key features: high wattage, provides 1200W of power, ideal for covering large grow areas with high light demands. Full spectrum light, ensures your plants receive all the necessary wavelengths for optimal growth and development. Dual light modes, features different switches for vegetative and flowering stages, allowing for customized lighting. Advanced cooling system, keeps the grow light cool, even during long periods of use, ensuring the light lasts longer. Large coverage area, perfect for growers with extensive indoor gardens or multiple plants. Number 5, Kingbo 45W Dual Head LED Grow Light. The Kingbo 45W Dual Head LED Grow Light is perfect for those looking for a flexible and affordable lighting option. The dual head design allows for more precise light targeting, making it great for smaller grow spaces or for supplementing natural light. Each head can be positioned individually, making it easy to focus light on different plants or sections of your garden. Despite its lower wattage, this grow light still offers a full spectrum, making it effective for growing herbs, succulents, or small vegetables. The light's clip-on design makes it easy to attach to any surface, providing maximum flexibility in how and where you use it. The Kingbo 45W is ideal for hobbyists or small-scale growers who need a portable, easy-to-use light that doesn't compromise on quality. Its compact design and affordable price make it one of the best options for those looking to start small with their indoor gardening projects. Key features: dual head design, allows for individual light targeting, perfect for small grow spaces or supplemental lighting. Full spectrum, provides the necessary wavelengths to support plant growth throughout all stages. Flexible setup, clip-on design makes it easy to attach to various surfaces, providing maximum flexibility. Portable and lightweight, easy to move and position, ideal for small gardens or temporary setups. Energy efficient, uses minimal power while providing effective light output, making it cost-effective for hobbyists. Conclusion: when choosing the best grow light for your indoor garden, it's essential to consider the size of your growing space, the type of plants you're cultivating, and your budget. Whether you're looking for a high-power solution like the Flyson 1200W or a more compact, flexible option like the Kingbo 45W, AliExpress offers a wide range of grow lights to meet your needs. Happy growing!